Hi guys, I'm here today with June's Sew Sampler Box, so let's dig in and see what's new. Neighborhood Block Party. So, let's see here. We got Let's Have a Bake Sale. Enjoy 20% off all cake mix and cupcake mix recipes. Cake Mix Quilt Book. There's that. Cake Mix Quilt Book. So we have Neighborhood Block Party, and this has all the items in it. So let's see what the first item is. This is Clearview Case Art by Art Bin. That's awesome. And inside is a cupcake mix recipe. And it looks like recipe number 4, possibly. Let's see what this is. Each cupcake mix contains 44 recipe cards. Required ingredients: 1 cupcake mix plus 1 Moda Print Charm Pack plus 1 Moda Bella Solid Charm Pack, or 42 5-inch background squares, totaling 7/8 of a yard. Each recipe card plus 2 5-inch squares yield 4 1.5 by 1.5 finished HTS's half triangle squares, I think, and 4 1.5 by 1.5 finished squares. 2 assembled recipe cards make 1 6x6 finished block. There's the 3 blocks here. All that, and maybe I do this so you can see it better. So let's see. So I guess this is just all the patterns. I could just cut. So I guess you sew this on top of the fabric, maybe? Not sure, but they're like, that's what they are inside. I'm still new to quilting, so I'm not sure what it is and how to use it yet. And then we have Vintage Holiday by Moda by Bonnie and Camille. This is super cute. Get this off of here. We got our Christmassy fabrics. There's some solids. Let's see, I skipped some, but I think it's the same. Just want to make sure. Yeah, it's the same. Super cute. I love these colors. Stripes and flowers. And this is like silvery. I'm not sure if it shows up in the camera, but it's silver. Sparkly silver. There's like snowflakes, but they're like flowers. Super cute, these little bows. Christmas trees. Really cute and colorful. Like I said, I love these colors. There's some neon green or lime green. And this is silver again, so it's sparkly. Ooh, I can't get it apart. There we go. That's white. we go. And there are 2 of those in the art bin, which I can use this for so many things. This is awesome. See if I can get it back in here. Okay, let's see what it says about that. It says Vintage Holiday Charm Pack, Bonnie and Camille for Moda. We can pass up a beautiful set of charm squares, especially... Who can pass up a beautiful set of charm squares, especially when they come adorned with metallics and as a set of 2? This charming collection is their first holiday line and is dressed in their classic colors so it can be used year-round. Sparkly ornaments, bows, and berries are accented with sweet stripes, dots, and ginghams. Feel free to mix and match prints for a look that makes you merry. And that retails for $19.96 for both. So you get 2 42 pieces in each. And that was $19.96. And the Cupcake Mix recipe number 4 says Miss Rosie's Quilt Company. This Cupcake Mix recipe pad includes 44 sheets that yield 4 1.5 inch finished half square triangles and 4 1.5 inch finished squares. 2 assembled recipe cards make 1 6-inch finished block. Use with any Moda charm packs or 5-inch squares. This specific cupcake recipe pad offers 3 different block layout options as seen on the cover of the pad. Retails for $6.24. Clearview Art Bin Case, Art Bin number 6952AB. This translucent storage case will come in handy all around the house. Use it to store embellishments and small pieces of fabric. Organize notions and declutter your workspace. It makes the perfect storage solution for this month's cupcake crossing pattern. Dimensions are 5 1/4 by 5 1/4 by 1 7/8, and the retails for $4.90. Fat Quarter Shop's retail price is $4.49. Okay, the next item is Thimble Blossom's Pin Collection. Collect them all. This is a Fat Shop Quarter exclusive. This sweet little enamel pin was inspired by the Winterville quilt designed by Camille Ross Kelly of Thimble Blossoms. In her signature colors and silver details, this pin is sure to add a touch of home to your ever-growing pin collection. Perfect for your inspiration boards, sewing bags, totes, and gifts for your quilting friends. You will want to collect them all. Dimensions 1 1/4 by 1 inch, and Fat Quarter Shop retails for $9.94. And this is the Sew Sampler members receive this item first. And the next two items is our barn block recipe number 3. It's all the directions and everything you need to know here. Barn block recipe number 3, Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. Join us as we travel the countryside and make 12 unique and inspiring barn blocks. Pick up a barn block quilt kit and a coordinating Aurifil barn block thread pack. Retail value $4.98. And our next and last item is our quilt pattern for the fabric squares, and this is Cupcake Crossing quilt pattern. Finished size is 50 by 50. This is a Sew Sampler box exclusive again. It says clear the way for scrumptious cupcake quilt blocks. Sweeten up the cupcake mix, recipe pad, and charm packs to craft this delicious 50-inch square quilt. Batches of half square triangles and 4 patches are made in a snap with the help of the cupcake mix, and the quilt comes together like a dream. Fat Quarter Shop retail price is $9.98. And there are finishing kits available for this. So I'm going to look for that and probably get it because I want it to all match. So that is everything. I just love these colors. And all our directions. Step-by-step directions. Make it nice and simple. And it says what else you need. You need 1 charm pack for the background, 3/8 of a yard background, a half a yard inner border, 3/4 of a yard outer border, 5/8 of a yard binding, and 3 1/3 yard of backing. It says pick up your Cupcake Crossing finishing kit that includes background, borders, and binding. So I'm going to check that out, and hopefully I can still get it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by.